Hi, happy holidays everyone. I'm Amy and this is my channel, Amy's Mix of Creativity. If you're new and just subscribed, welcome. I go over a lot of different paper crafting products mainly. This is what I'm really excited about sharing with my following right now. And hopefully, soon I'll be able to do more tutorials and give tips and everything, but right now I want to share some of the great collections that I found on the internet over the last couple months. I actually got this one quite a while ago, but I wanted to make sure you get to see it before Christmas, and it's from Stamperia. The name of it, the collection, is called Candy Christmas, as you can see here. It's very cute, very sweet. So let me move this stuff out of the way and I will show you what I have. First of all, let me start with the, what is this now? This is 8 by 8 inches, this paper pad. And they call it the maxi pad. So this Stamperia company just has such cute, adorable collections. I have another one that I want to show too soon that's called the Owl's House, and it's not just for Christmas but for all of winter. And as you can see, this one has like a very pink and blue theme, which I guess is now kind of in right now, so goes along with that, and that's good. This paper actually doesn't have anything on the back of the sheets. I chose it like that. You can get double-sided if you go on check out where Stamperia is sold. I think they sell them in different craft store websites like Simon Says Stamps and scrapbooking.com. Yeah, so I mean, look at these adorable little snowmen here. I just thought this was such a cute book, and it's got like, I guess, caramel coming down, like it's like a waffle cone type of thing, or even like a swoop. I'm gonna say this wrong. Stoop waffle. That's what it looks kind of like. We went to Amsterdam this summer, and had the best one I've ever had before. Right, like in a little tiny shop right on the street. So yeah, definitely something I enjoy, and that's one of the reasons I picked out this book, was I thought it was so cute. So it's like, backgrounds, and it's got toppers, and oh, he's so cute. These are the back of those that can be made out of tags, or just for cards or scrapbooking. Little cutouts, could be for ATCs, anything like that. Here's some little tiny tags. Excuse me for my fingernails. I'm keeping the color on for the holiday season, and I know they're starting to grow out, but anyway, I just wanted to still look nice for Christmas without having to go and get it done again. Anyway, here we go. These are such cute little cutouts. They aren't stamps, they are cut up. You have to cut them. Okay, so fussy cutting can be a pain in the neck if you have like a brother scan and cut. These are awfully close, but they could still be cut pretty easily with a brother scan and cut. So yeah, and on the back it shows each page. So that's the 8 by 8 book, and this is the 12 by 12 paper pad. It's part of the Romantic collection. That's why, and it's so like dreamy like. I just think it's really cute. 10 double face sheets. So this one is double sheets. Maybe I gotta like zoom out a little so you can see the whole thing. Move this over. So look at that pink and blue if you really like you know, pinks and blues for the holidays. This is a great collection for the, might not be able to find in too many other places. Little gingerbread guy. That's a theme throughout, the little balloon, hot air balloons and the parachuting in gingerbread men. Cute little gingerbread house. It's actually pretty big looking. The elves are just so adorable. Look at their faces. Look how sweet they are. So, of course, you know, with a situation like this, you can cut them apart, use each one separately. You could cut up every part of this and then put it on a card. Have it be like a, you know, like a collage type of thing. So it would fit on a card. Or it could just be the whole card front when you cut into it. Now, you know, cards and tags are really what I'm into mostly, especially for the holidays. So I think about stuff like that, you know, making, like this could be a tag with it just out of the snow globe. Or even like, you know, something like this would be perfect size for a tag. So yeah, so, you know, use your imagination. Even like boxes like this, you know, rectangles, they could be cut down to size for a smaller tag. If you don't want the frame, or even if you wanted the frame, you could make it be a bigger tag. I guess my paper came apart there. Oh my goodness, he's so cute. The elf, little elf guy. I hope I'm in height now. Constantly, everything's moving around. Sorry. Hopefully I stay in the frame the whole time. I get so excited by what I'm looking at that sometimes I'm not making sure that I'm totally in the frame. Oh, I love the, you know, the little things that can be easily made into tags. Such beautiful colors together. So yeah, that's the Stamperia Candy Christmas 12 by 12 pages. And it even came out with a junk journal. Oh my goodness, I love these junk journals from Stamperia. They just have so much things in them. Let me get right to it. Again, it's called Candy Christmas. Background stickers and cutouts, 16 pages for art journaling and card making. So sweet, so nice. I think this is what they really need to, you know, make sure they have with every collection now. It's the junk journals. Cutouts. So some of them are cutouts. These are stickers. You can see this comes right off. Okay, that's a sticker. You can tell usually the stickers don't have anything on the back page because they're, you know, the backing is the back of the stickers. Now see, this one is, these are die cuts that can be just taken out right out of the page. Okay. You can tell those are die cuts because they have the images on the back too. So they are double-sided images. So adorable. And so wonderful for people that want to make like ornaments, or, you know, something that's like hangs, a tag that has a, you know, front and back just as a decoration. So like these tags here have really cute backs to them. Yeah. So here's some cut aparts. This is just a great little junk journal collection here. All kinds of, you know, same things you get pretty much in the paper pads, but more, because you're getting stickers, you're getting die cuts, you're getting tags. Okay, you're getting these come apart. This is, you know, great for I guess a full year calendar, like an advent calendar. Awesome. Here's some more cutouts. So these cut aparts, I mean, this is awesome. You don't have to use you don't have to fussy cut them or use some kind of machine to cut them out. They're already cut out. Okay, they didn't cut these out, those snow globes, but it's not too hard to cut. Here's some, this is like, turns into an envelope. These are some little, you know, tag pockets for scrapbooking and journal making. And yeah, oh, that's so cool. I love the junk journals. Again, I have another collection called the Owl's House, which I'm going to share. But let me just get through this first. And I just, because they are so cute, I love this collection. Here are some rub-ons. I had to buy the ones that had the Santa and the elves in it because they're just so adorable. But these are not, you know, you don't pull these apart like a sticker or anything. You do have to cut around them, but because they're rub-ons, you just cut around them, and then you can rub on the image on your project. So very cute. Try that. I'm not really a person who does many rub-on things, but hey, sometimes you got to try new things, right? So let me zoom in a little bit. First of all, I'll show the adhesive. Now let me do the die cuts first. Sorry about the rustling. Oh my goodness, I didn't. Okay, I have to open them on the top. I didn't open these yet. Again, I've had this collection for a while, but I still think you can find it online. You know, search around, maybe put it in Google. Stamperia, Candy Christmas. Alright, so these are die cuts. They are not adhesives, are they? No. No, they're just die cuts. So they're kind of like chipboard pieces. They're actually quite thick. So if you're not into that, you don't have to buy these, obviously, but I thought they would be really cute to put on some tags and cards. And here's a snow globe with a little train, some really cute tags, a hot air balloon, gingerbread house, another little train, tree, adorable snowman. So you get the point. Those are so cute. Okay, and then last but not least, I have ephemera, which are adhesive, meaning they are stamps. These ephemera, I usually won't cut things like that, but it's hard to get these open. A little bit harder to get these bags open. This ephemera is just so unique because it's shiny. Okay, I don't know if you can tell so well on the, you know, everything's pretty bright. My light's bright and everything, but it really, you can see like a sheen to these, and they are stamps. So they have adhesive backgrounds you can pull off. See, it's actually pretty easy to pull them off, and then you can stick them right on your projects. Awesome. I love all this stuff. I love how it's like, you know, already set for easy crafting. Okay, so if you want to do some easy crafting, you want to do something that's so adorably cute, look into Stamperia. It's a, I'm not really sure where they're from, but they're from Europe. And they just have such really cool collections. And I hope everyone's doing well. Remember to, you know, take your time and relax, breathe during the holiday season. I'm having a little trouble. I'm already starting to get a little, you know, a bit hyped up about Christmas coming and everything, but I can't wait. I'm excited to. My son's coming home this weekend. It's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to have a lot to do. So I'm trying to get all these videos out as soon as possible. So you will probably see me post several videos of some collections, paper crafting collections that I haven't been able to share yet, but that I have had for a little while. If you aren't able to get them at this point in time, I'm sorry about that, but you know what? You could always try to find them for next year. These collections are either from, you know, this year or the year prior. I'm not always sure when they've come out based on when I buy them, but they're all so they're my, you know, ones I chose specifically for the holiday season because I like them so much. So come back, subscribe, make sure you get to see more of my videos, and I'll see you soon. Thank you. Bye.